turn on or something. It's burned out here. I'm just gonna do that for now. Yeah. So it's not buzzing, because that's pretty annoying. Alright, so here's the Chicago Electric Rock Tumbler here. And I just want to do like a little review video on it, so... See, there's the tag on it. And I got the cover pulled off. I would like to check the belt on it here. And looks pretty good still. I never put a new belt on this thing. I probably should. That was getting pretty tight there from... It was sitting for a couple of months now. But when I first got this thing, it was running for like a year or more straight. Because I tumbled a lot of rocks with it. And now it's been sitting for a couple of months. And because it was summertime and I was working outside, but now it's getting cold outside again. And I want to get back, probably tumbling more rocks with it. So, just want to do like a little thing on it here. So, some people say that these don't last very long, but this one has been a good one. And the barrels haven't leaked on it or nothing. One thing that I don't like on this is these plastic tabs here. I wanted to put some of those. I've seen people make like wheel things for these to hold the barrels instead of these plastic tabs. They put like a shower curtain wheel on it and a little holder for them. I'm not sure what it's called right now. And that basically kept the barrels from rubbing up against the side of it like this here. It's starting to show some wear on the metal. And right here it's kind of shiny too. And yeah, so to oil it, you'd use like... I heard you're not supposed to use WD-40 on it because it like gels up the bushings on here, and it's no good. And it's just for the top here, it's just these 3 little screws on the heat shield, and I think it's a pretty good tumbler for a beginner like me. I did have one other tumbler, a tumbler's tumbler, but it was like $10 and the barrel didn't hold water, so I still have it, but I haven't got a new barrel for it yet. And I used it like one time, and I had it in a little pan to keep the, the grit from going on all over the floor, or the slurry. So yeah, I had no problems with this one, and I guess I show you here how to oil it. And let's see this thing running too while I oil it. Alright, so it's plugged in here. So still feels pretty good there. Got a pretty good airflow coming out of that fan. So that definitely turns the barrel at a pretty good speed. Alright, so here's one of the barrels for it. I don't have the thing inside of it right now, but oh yeah, look at that. I said earlier that thing seemed a little tight from sitting. It's still not moving very good. Yeah, look at that. It's gonna burn out belts doing that. Never done that before. This is the first time it's ever done that. So let me unplug it and get some grease in there. Whoops. Get some grease in there. Drop the screw out of here. Alright, so I got a rag here for the grease. And I want to put it in all four of the bushings on under the thing here. Just on the ends right there. Let me try and get it down there a little bit better. So this one's for the motor here. Try and get on both sides as best as you can. Now this one's a little bit hard to turn right now, so. Oh wow. That freed it like almost right up right there. Just putting a little bit of grease on it. On that one side too. Some for this side. Oh, that might be a little bit much, but hey, it's spinning real good now. Must have had some stuff stuck in there. You might want to try and get some right here, like right behind this fan pulley. But make sure you don't get none on the belt in here, because it'll definitely slip. I think it dripped. Oh yeah, it's dripped some right on the fan. So it's definitely good. Not really. There, that one went in a good spot. So I can't ever do nothing with grease or something without getting it all over my hands. It's like always. So now that these are greased up, I'm sure that this is gonna, that should spin good now, because before, just with this, it wasn't spinning that side. Oh yeah, look at that. That noise was the thing rubbing on here. Yeah, that's a lot quieter now too. Oh, that was a lot louder before. Wiping the extra grease off here. And some dirt came off with it too, so it helps keep it clean. So could call out a winner right there. Woo. Yeah, that's why you want to put those washers on, or those wheels on here, so it doesn't do that in the middle of the night. I used to put this grease on there so it wouldn't do that, but I'm probably gonna order some of those later tonight so I can, you know, just get those on there. And yeah, that's all for today. Have a great day, everyone. Put the grease back where it goes. Cat knocked it off and do another video along with these lights bulbs. So, see ya.